All right, class, in video 4, we're going to learn measures 5 through 8 for the right hand, okay? So our position is going to stay the same. Now, let's take these notes one at a time, okay? Our first note here is a quarter note, and it is an E. So that's the first note. Our next note, 2 notes are on that same line right here. All right. So these are going to be your G's. This is the G line. So you have those 2 G's. Then we go back to the E line. And below the E line is the D space right here, index finger. And right here, this note that's in between the bass and the treble clef, the bass and the treble clef, right here you have what's called your middle C with that little line going through the note. All right, now in the third measure here, you have your D again. Remember that D space? You had it here. Same thing, it's on the same space, right below the E line. That's D. Then we have a note on the E line, so that makes this note an E. Then you have a D again, D. And now we have, finishing off, another quarter note. Quarter notes get 1 beat, okay? Remember that, 1 beat. And then this last note with no stem and it's hollow, this is a whole note, it's going to get 4 beats. And it's also a middle C. All right. So let's go ahead and play this 3 times. All right. And again, I want your focus to be following the blue cursor as we move through the song.
1, 2, set, go.
All right, that's number 1.
1,
Let's do the second attempt.
2, set, go.
Follow that blue cursor, okay? C, D, E, D, C, C. All right, now on this third time, I want you to say the notes to yourself. So you may have headphones on right now. Don't say the notes out loud as you're playing, but just say them to yourself. Kind of say them quietly as you're playing, okay? Let's do that on this third and final time.
1, 2,
Let's start with E.
set, go.
E, G, G, E, D, C. D, E, D, C, C. All right. Once you're able to play all 3 times without mistakes, you're ready to move to video 5, which is measures 5 through 8 for the left hand.